Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share a tutorial how to share an assignment on a Google Classroom. So first thing we have to do is open the Google Classroom. This is the symbol of the Google Classroom. If you have it on your device, just need to click it to open, and when you first timer enter the Google Classroom, this is the logs. You will be generated into the classes that you have on your Google Classroom account. And now you just need to open where exactly the assignment is placed. For example, this A class. To check the assignment, you just need to go into the classwork. This is a quiz. Sorry, probably I missed it. I think it's in a B class. Okay, so you just need to go into the classwork, and after that there will be an assignment here in math. It posted into 29 September. You just need to click it, and after that you can see on the right upper corner here there is a square arrow symbol. To share, just need to click this, and you can choose the method you want to share the assignments to. You can share it in a Google Classroom form or in a WhatsApp. So if you want to share it through WhatsApp, you just need to click a WhatsApp. And now you just need to follow all of the instructions that appear on your screen. So, and after you choose one, you just need to click it and then click next, and after that click send. So that's all the way how to share an assignment on Google Classroom. If you find that this tutorial is quite useful for you, don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.